Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to easiest method to bypass Microsoft account creation and installation on Windows 11 24H2. As you know, Microsoft is still trying to make it increasingly more difficult to create a local account during the Windows 11 setup process. I explain in the video you see on screen how it works. So, I am going to test it out on this Windows 11 24H2 Home Single Language installation. I have here just as a demo for this video. And the reason I am testing it on this version is because this is typically the version of Windows 11 that is installed on most consumer laptops. Now go to Windows 11 machine. Select the right country or region. Let's scroll down. I am choosing India, you can choose your country. Click Yes. Keyboard layout or input method. Default is US. I am going to select English India. Click Yes. Want to add a second keyboard layout. Click Skip. Let's name your device. I am given it name ROHIT Tech. Click Next. Unlock your Microsoft experience. You need to log on Microsoft ID or create new Microsoft account as well. But I am going to show you how to bypass Microsoft account creation. Now I am going to create a new local account. You have to press Shift and the function key and F10 together. If that doesn't work, try plugging in an external keyboard, if you have one, and then simply press Shift and F10 on that keyboard. Type command here. Start ms -cxh local only. Press Enter. Now the local user creation wizard is open. Create local user. Type username. I am given it username ROHIT. Type password. Re-enter password. Click Next. Let's scroll down. Set the security question. In case you forgot your password. Click Next. Now, it should just go through the normal setup screens like you can see now, and then prompt you to select your privacy settings. I usually disable all of these sliders, and then once you click on Continue, you will be taken directly to the desktop in your local account. Click Accept. Now the Windows 11 is installed successfully. Now, if I go to Settings and Accounts, you can see this is indeed a local account, and also if I have a look at the Windows version, this is Windows 11 24H2 Home Single Language, like I explained before. Let's close System Settings. So, this bypass method is only really needed on Windows 11 Home and Pro versions. Other versions like Enterprise and so on does not require this, but it should still work if you try to use it. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.